Hey guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Marco and I'm going to be your host for today. This is going to be a very short video. Just a little information I want to give out to the guys who are starting out their detail business, or they want to get a cool little car wash set up for their garage. And I've done a lot of research, a lot of videos, a lot of time. I want to give it back to the community, and I found this Flexzilla hose and the Uber hose, which is they're the exact same thing. One's green, the other one's blue. And I ended up getting this one for my son. He has a little car wash setup. He does, part-time because he still goes to school. And, he wanted, hey, Dad, give me the green one. I got him the green one. I have the blue one. I'll show you now. But they're the exact same thing, same actual part number and everything, and patent number. And so this is a great hose. So what I basically did, I went to my local hydraulic shop. I cut the ends before I took it over there. I cut a little bit right along the line. It comes with these big connectors on these hoses for the small pressure washers, and I was able to save both sides of these. I wasn't able to do it on my Uberflex one. I didn't know. So basically once you do the connector, what I did was I cut it here, and I saved this, and then once I put the connector, it seems like it goes right in. So, it kind of stays locked in there, has a little feature here. So then I'll go ahead and put the quick connect 3/8 on one side, female, and then we'll do the other side, male. So that way, also got this, because the pressure cleaner that I got, which is the active, I think it's the VE52, it comes with a 22 millimeter, 15 millimeter size. A lot of them come with 14 millimeters. This one is 15, so you have to get the adapter for it. They look like they sell them at Home Depot. They're not. The ones on Home Depot are 14 mil. So you got to make sure you get the correct one. And then you have the 3/8 right here, so you could convert your pressure cleaner into a quick release. So this is the one that goes on the pressure cleaner, and that's pretty much it. Obviously, you need some some tape, and that's pretty much it. And I like this gun that comes with my B52 because also I did this adapter, so I don't have to be like unscrewing it, and also got the 1/4" adapter, so I could put the foam gun in the front. It does come with the extension, but so you could buy this. You could buy at Home Depot or Lowe's. But still a great gun. I like it too. It's since I have a big SUV, or if you're doing, let's say if you're doing a boat, and you don't want to be bending over so much, it's great to have this one. Plus, I ended up getting the MTM gun, which I'll show you now. But excellent way to start your little business, or if you want to put a little setup in your garage, like I did, which I'll show you now, and I'll show you my Uberflex hose, and it's fantastic. I absolutely love it. I tried the 3/8 of which is the thicker one. It's too thick, too heavy. This won't kink. It's awesome. It's not like the ones you get, like Ryobi or something like that. It's awesome. It's an awesome hose to work with. And even if you're going to start off with, let's say, a Ryobi setup, I would say save the money and try to get the active. I did some research. I had an AR Blue before. It had more pressure but less water, and this thing is amazing. I tested it. It's got about 1.8 gallons per minute, okay, and about 1800 psi. It's actually perfect. So this is my Uberflex right here, and see, I couldn't save my little I don't know what this is called, to be honest with you, but I did the same thing. I put the 3/8 adapter, so they cut the hose, and stainless steel. I went with stainless steel, okay. So I love it. I absolutely love it. This is a 50-foot hose, so we get to use it with any of the two guns that we have. This has got the swivel. This is the MTM. I believe the SGS 28, which a lot of the guys have it. Comes with stainless steel tips. This is a badass gun. I absolutely love this gun too. So this setup that I have here is the one that's a little bit more narrow. This is not good for the 3/8 hose. Do not get the 3/8 hose that's thicker with this one. You need to get the wider one, because then the center part, when you put the hose this way, it kinks. I did all kinds of things to it and I couldn't do it. So if you're gonna get the 1/4 hose, it's good because it's space saving. It's really nice. It doesn't come out of the wall as much, And then this one I set it up so my son could take it with him. Okay, you see, it's a little adapter that I made there from Home Depot, because these pressure cleaners do not have option to put on the wall. So this is mine. So I made it temporary right now for him so he could use it. But once he starts making a little bit of money, then he could buy his own. But fantastic product. Same thing here. This little, quick hose here. I had it done at the pressure cleaner. What is it, hydraulic place? And they cut it that size for me. Then I ended up having to put that 90. So when I take this off, I put the adapter, and then he could take this with it. And that's pretty much it, guys. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, let me know. Throw me a comment, subscribe. Like I said, this is great for beginners. And, I love it. We both love it. We really, really enjoy it. He's got his little setup right here that he takes with him. And it works. It works great. He's been getting a lot of little clients. It's a part-time little thing he's doing on the weekends and during the week, especially in the summertime. And he's really, really enjoying it. Enjoying the gun, enjoying the pressure cleaner. And that's it. So if you're starting out, great way to get a little setup in your garage. Alright, so you gotta make sure, if you are gonna get these connectors, absolutely worth it. Stainless steel. You got the female and the male. Make sure you get your pipe thread tape. I usually like to buy the one from Home Depot, sells this extra thick one. I like it because it's kind of cool. It matches with the silver too, and it's a little thicker than your white one. So when you put it next to the thread, it looks pretty nice. It looks a little nicer. So cut a nice piece, and you definitely want to have. You don't want to have any leaks out there, when you're working. So, but yeah, definitely, guys, this is a great hose. I did, like I said, I did some research before I ended up buying it. I ended up buying also two different 3/8 hoses, and honestly, I was washing the car. I didn't like it. I enjoyed this one much better. I say I have small hands, so it will get me a little more tired. The 3/8 hose. So like I said, it's a no-brainer for me. No-brainer. I'll put the links below. You could get everything on Amazon. I'm not sure if you could get the tape on Amazon, but definitely I buy it at Home Depot. I used to use the white one all the time, but then I found this one. It's a little thicker, so it's absolutely amazing. Okay, it looks a little bit nicer than. Oops, sorry. It looks a little bit nicer than the white one. So kind of goes with the silver. So yeah, I'm super happy. I've loved doing car wash stuff like all my life, and I never really set up something in my house. Just use the regular water hose. But after using a little pressure cleaner, it just makes everything so much more enjoyable. And like I said, my son actually loves it too, where he ended up starting his own little side hustle. He's 18 years old, and he goes to school, he swims. So he's got a lot of young kids that are his clients, and like I said, he loves it. Took him painting the other day. He didn't like it. He's like, "No, Dad, I like pressure cleaning better." So it is what it is. And that's what we're gonna do. Yeah, once you guys start using this setup, you start looking for chemicals that you like. So yeah, I got a couple of chemicals that we purchased. They've been absolutely fantastic. So if you follow me, I'm gonna do a little video on that. And absolutely excellent ceramic soap that we found. And that's pretty much it, guys. So All right, let's jump into the next.